Good afternoon. How Chen? Hello. You give me a special hi. Thank you so much. Okay, I need you to put in your full name in the name panel here so that I can check your attendance easily. Okay. Okay. I think most of you have already written your full name there. It. Okay. All right. Let's get started. Okay. First of all, I want to chat with you guys here. I think I see a few familiar faces here. Wow, I see Emma Loy, Emma Liu, Susan Liang, Chi Hui, Hao Chen, Jayden, Amber, Gerald. Hello, good afternoon. What about Emma? Let's start with Emma. Emma Loy, how was the holidays? What did you do during the break? How was it? Did you go anywhere? You can unmute yourself. We're just getting started. Mm. Oh, okay. Oh, I see. I see. That's your okay. Carlene. Do you know how to change your name, Carlene, in the panel here? Easier for me to call you later. Don't know. Okay, never mind. Hang on, yeah. Okay. Hang on. Can't change it from here, but okay, never mind. Let's start. Okay, I was just wondering, how was your holidays, you guys? All okay? All so far so good. Emma was like, that is very good, very good. But then need to reopen already on Monday, right? Yeah, I know. Never mind. So okay, let's get started here. Okay, let me share the screen first. Hang on, yeah. 1 second. Okay, let's start with this. Oh, wait. Hmm, Zoom. Hang on, yeah, just 1 second. Just 1 second. I think everybody's in, right? Okay, so let's start now. Wait, why is my PowerPoint? Hang on, yeah, just like my PowerPoint slides. No, not this one. But I think I got a few PowerPoint slides open, so it's a bit confusing here. 1 second. One second, yeah, guys. Can I share my PowerPoint now? Mhm. Okay, I think we can start here. Okay, so this is the things that we need to do here. 1, 2, 3 here. Vocab cloze, editing, and open-ended comprehension. Okay, so let's start. First, you know the rules. So if you need anything, just raise your hand here. Okay, first one is this one. We'll start with this one first. Vocabulary cloze, MCQs. Okay, I need you guys to read this short passage first, and then later on we will look at the answers together. So read this short passage, take about 1 minute. Okay, take about 1 minute, and then I will need one of you to read out your answer for question 1. Just read the first question. So just read this paragraph first. Okay, so for the first one, a hot air balloon is a type of aircraft. So that would be C. Okay. It is lifted by heating the air inside the balloon, usually with fire. Okay, so one is B, type of aircraft, kind of aircraft, same. Okay, it's lifted by heating the air inside the balloon, usually with fire. Hot air weighs less than the same volume of cold air, which means that the hot air will rise up of question number 2. Okay, look at question number 2, and then you guys type in your answers in the chat here for question number 2, A, B, C, or D. Can type in your answer for question number 2, A, B, C, or D. Just quickly type in your answer, 1 minute. A, D, A, D, A, D. Okay. Okay, so float. Float, that would be hover around. That would be A. Float and flow are two different things. One is A. Okay, float is flow. Two different things. Okay, when there is cold air around it, just like a bubble of air in a pot of water. The greater the difference between the hot and cold air, the stronger the balloon will pull up. Try number 3 now. The greater the difference. 1 minute. Yeah, I think most of you got it. So the greater the difference, the more the difference, that would be C. What happened to my P? Alamak. Hang on, yeah. Sorry, let me just reshare this. 1 second. Sorry guys, apologies. I think let me just check back what is my setting here. One second. C. Okay, for question number 3, most of you got the SC, which is correct. Just 1 second. This is nitriles. Okay, sorry, I think some setting issue here, but let me just continue here. Now better. Okay, next question. Okay, sorry, you guys got a few more questions. Okay, 4. This means that the balloons can carry more weight on a cold day, or if the air outside the balloon is very hot. What's your answer for 4? Carry more weight. Carry B. I think most of you got B. Okay. You're right, it's B. Okay, weight. So that would be lift more weight. Okay, I think so far all okay. The clues will be weight here, carry more weight. Okay, B, nice, very nice. Okay, guys, last one, yeah, for this comprehension close. At higher temperature, the air molecules move faster and spread out. Therefore, the hot air becomes less dense than cooler air. So question 5, move faster. Should be the synonym to faster, that would be, this is synonym, basically the same meaning. So question number 5, it's D. Okay, move faster. F, oh, Jaden, what are you talking about? Okay, so basically it's D. Okay, move faster, move quicker. All are synonyms here. Okay, D. Okay, correct. Okay, guys, I'll just go back to the first question. Just now, there was some issue with my settings. So let me just explain again the questions 1 till 5, and then we'll continue to the next part, okay? So I'm just going to go back to the first slide. So just listen any, yeah, basically this part here. Let me just quickly explain the contextual clues and all. Okay, type of aircraft. So when you say type, it's a certain one of the different types. So certain kind of aircraft. So the rest of it, breed, no. What kind of breed? It's not an animal or etc. It's set means different set. Group all will not fall in the same category. Okay, wait, yeah. Hang on. For animals and all. So of course, the type of aircraft. And then question number 2 is how